You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, bonjour. We're looking at how to say the name of this salad. This is a word, a name from French, meaning curly in French, like if you have curly hair. That's how you would be called. In English it's said as frisée, frisée. In French, for reference, frisée, frisée. So frisée salad from French. And now you know it all, I think. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.